Did you know that some mines are so deep, they're closer to the center of Earth than to sea level? The Mponeng gold mine in South Africa goes down 2.5 miles underground. At that depth, the rock temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to cook an egg. Workers need massive cooling systems just to survive down there. But here's what's really incredible. They're still finding gold that formed billions of years ago. Every day, miners descend deeper than most people will ever go. The pressure is so intense, the rock actually creaks and groans around them, and the deeper they go, the more challenging it becomes. Ventilation systems work overtime to pump fresh air down those endless shafts. Communication becomes harder. Emergency response takes longer. Yet these underground operations continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible, because sometimes the most valuable resources are hidden in the most impossible places. Follow for more underground intelligence and real mining insights.